Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree, and in today's video I'm going to be doing episode 1 of my Entrepreneur Life series. So guys, if you're a returning subscriber, then you already know me. I'm Bree, and on this channel I do natural hair videos. But if you're new here, I like to do natural hair videos. But for a long time I've been wanting to start a natural hair care brand, and I just recently started doing lots of research and started purchasing things to start my business. So soon I'm going to be launching my natural hair brand. I'm not going to say the name of my brand just yet, just because I want to get everything legally in order before I say my name out there. But yeah, so soon you guys, I will let you guys know obviously the name of what my natural hair brand is going to be. But in today's video, I just wanted to talk to you guys about my 2 products that I'm going to be coming out with soon. So the first product that I'm coming out with is a hair growth oil. So I've been using this hair growth oil for a very long time, and I've been incorporating this oil into my healthy natural hair journey, as well as my every week wash routine and hair care routine and everything like that. And if you guys don't know this, I am doing a hair growth challenge video, a hair growth challenge series, I should say. It's a 6-month hair growth challenge, and I've been using this hair growth oil religiously, and I've already noticed significant growth. My hair has grown so much since, the start of this hair growth challenge. And my boyfriend has also been using this, and his hair is growing like wildfire as well. And even people have been noticing it, and I already got my first order just from how much my boyfriend's hair has grown, prompted someone to purchase my oil. So this stuff does work, guys, and it's made with all natural ingredients, but I'm not going to go into that right now. We'll get there, guys. But for today's video, I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm going to be coming out with in my hair growth oil. And I also formulated a hair growth mask, a hair growth deep conditioner. So yeah, so these are the 2 first products that are going to be on my website once it does launch. But in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys an inventory haul. So I did purchase some things for my business already. And in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuff that I purchased. I will be having lots and lots and lots of more inventory haul videos on this channel because I need to buy so much more stuff. So I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys what I'm going to be getting every time I order some more stuff. And also in this video, you guys are going to be seeing me make my hair growth mask that I just showed you guys. And also you guys are going to see me package my first order. So yeah, lots of fun stuff in this video. So be sure to give this video a like. And please subscribe for more entrepreneur vlogs, and also subscribe so you guys can see more natural hair videos, and join my hair growth challenge if you guys want to grow your hair nice and long and healthy. Okay, so guys, I'm going to stop talking now, and you guys are going to go into the next clip where I'm going to be unboxing my inventory for my business. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing an inventory haul, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got for my business. I went to Dollar Tree, and then I also ordered some oils online for my hair oil, my hair growth oil, as well as my growth mask. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree first. So I got these. These are just like Ziploc bags. And so these are what I'm going to be using to pipe my growth mask into my containers. I think I got one of them, but my mom, she also bought me some too. So yeah, so when I put the mask inside the bag, I'm going to cut it and then use that to just fill up my bottles. I also purchased 2 of these syringes, and these are what I'm going to be using to just put to scoop up or suck up my oil to fill up my glass dropper bottles for my hair growth oil. And then I just got some measuring cups. I bought 2 because I'm assuming that there will be a point in time where someone will be helping me make my growth mask just to be more efficient. So I brought 2 just so we can have 2 people doing it at the same time. So yeah, a measuring cup. It comes with a 4th cup, and I can't really see. 1 cup, a half cup, a 3rd cup, and a 4th cup. And everything was $1 because I got it at Dollar Tree. So I did get some flowers. So the colors of my business are like a peachy pink and bright yellow. So I got some yellow flowers just for like the aesthetic when I'm taking pictures of my products for Instagram. And in this bag, I got like a light pink. So like these are the colors of my business, and I thought it was perfect. So when I'm taking pictures, I'm gonna use these to like make the pictures look really cute, and it's gonna look really cute because it's gonna match my labels that I made. And so this is just a cute little decorative plate, I guess you could say. It's like a fake silver plate. And I'm just going to use this for some pictures of my products to make it look nice and cute. And then I just bought some regular scissors because I'm going to need those. So next, I have another bag from Dollar Tree. And I just got another set of flowers. Again, it's that nice peachy pink color, which is the color of my business. So this is just like a 5-pack of like these 8-ounce reusable containers. So this week I'm going to be making a big batch of my hair growth butter mask, and I'm going to be giving them to my family to just use on their hair to give me feedback. I'm pretty much set in stone on, you know, all the ingredients that I'm going to be using in my deep conditioner, but I just wanted my family to try it out, and they're each going to get like a good amount because there's like 8 ounces in here, and it's a big container per person. So I already designated my family, certain people in my family to try it, and they're going to be giving me feedback and stuff like that. So that's what I'm using those for. And then I also bought 2 of these little spatulas, and this is just to scoop out my mask, my deep conditioner, growth butter, same thing. And so I also purchased these gift bags. So these are going to be for when people who know me personally want to order my products, but they don't want to, you know, have it shipped to them, especially if they live near me. It doesn't really make sense. So if I know them, this is only going to be offered to people who I personally know. They're going to be available to do like pickup orders, or like I'll drop it off to them, but it's only for people who live near me and I personally know them. But yeah, just for like friends and family. So I wanted to have like a cute little decorative bag that matched, you know, the color of my business. And I'm also going to be buying like yellow tissue paper to put inside so it can look cute for my business and stuff like that. So I also purchased this white poster board. It's just a plain poster board, and I bought this so that I could have basically like a white background. So when I'm taking pictures of my product for my website, it's just a nice clean cut background. And here I purchased just some plastic spoons for mixing of the oils, mixing up the deep conditioner. And I wanted to buy like all fresh stuff that's never been used before, that is specifically designated for, you know, my products, because I don't want to obviously use stuff that's already been used, because that's not sanitary. And then I just bought this cute little coupon holder. So for all of my business purchases, everything that I buy for my business, I'm going to keep all my coupons in here so that like at the end of the year when I'm doing taxes, I'll have all of my, you know, receipts in order. And I also purchased just some little confetti paper for taking pictures and stuff like that. I'm sure this will come in handy. But yeah, I got yellow because again, that's the colors of my business. And this is not business related, but I just got like a crossword puzzle. So yeah, so that's everything that I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now I'm going to be opening my oils. These came in today, so thought I would do a little unboxing for you guys. I'm not going to be showing you guys like the front of the oils just because I don't want to be giving out all of my secrets. But this is one of my oils. This is about 64 ounces of one of my oils. And then the rest of my oils are in this box, which is kind of heavy. All right, they really shoved everything in here. So this is another oil that I'm going to be using for my business, for my hair growth oil. So I have another oil. This thing is huge. Another one of my oils. Another one of my oils. And yeah, so these are all of my oils. There are some oils that I haven't purchased yet because certain things I'm waiting for to go on sale because I know I could get it cheaper. And there's really no rush for me to get everything right now because my launch date is probably not going to be for a few months. So I do have a lot of time to get everything in. But I found a really good deal on these oils. So I wanted to get them now because I had the money in the budget for it. So I'm really happy that I found, you know, these deals on these oils. And yes, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Guys, so I just set up, I have my gloves here, my spoon, my bowls and everything, and then I have my containers for the samples that I'm going to be giving to my family. So I'm just going to be making my deep conditioner, my growth mask, and giving these samples to my family like I mentioned. And I'm also going to be making an order, so I'll show you guys that after I do this. About 4 8-ounce containers. This one fell short. This one is like probably like 4 ounces. But yeah, these ones are pretty much full to the top. Looks very whipped and nice. So I'm gonna be giving these out to my family members, and yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. It was kind of messy with the piping, but I'm just learning how to do that. But yeah, so these are my samples, pretty large samples. Oil, I'm sorry if the camera cut out, but yeah, so this is the 4-ounce bottle that I'm gonna be selling to one of my first customers. And so he ordered a 4-ounce bottle, and then this is the 2-ounce bottle. So when my site launches, I wanna be offering a 2-ounce and a 4-ounce. So as you guys can see, the difference in sizes. So this is his. So I'm going to show you guys how I would package like a regular like pickup order. So these are the boxes, because this is the bags. This is the color of my business, this peachy pink. So I'm going to put this inside, but since I don't have my labels yet, I'm going to make one really quick. So these are just stickers. These are definitely not going to be my labels, but this is all I have right now. So I'm just going to pick this green one. hair growth oil. Like that. Guys, again, I only have stickers and that's all I have, so I'm gonna like get an index card and just put like the ingredients, so that I might put the ingredients, I'm not sure, but yeah, so I'm just gonna take this, put this in here, set the hair growth oil, and put it inside here, and then my yellow tissue paper. So that's pretty much it. I am gonna write a thank you card. So, and then on the back, I'm just gonna write something. And then on the back, I just said, thank you so much for your purchase. Hope you enjoy. And yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I didn't realize that there was a point in time where my camera cut off, so you guys didn't really see me make the oil, but that's fine. And I just wanted to show you guys my order that I packaged, just a better look at it. So yes, I will be dropping this off to the customer soon. And yeah, so that's all for this video. But like I said, more videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.